This is the Sony XB13, an affordable, quality, rather small portable Bluetooth speaker. It also has a good battery life, some useful features, and a sound profile that might impress you considering its minuscule size. But at this size, it's too big for your pocket and it's seemingly too small to create truly great audio. Is it an awkward middle child speaker that you should avoid, or is it the perfect mix of size and quality and price for you? Well, in this video, we're going to check out the popular Sony XB13 and see how it compares to other popular competitors, and what it's like to actually use the speaker. So let's get into the video. The Sony XB13 comes in a range of colors to match your aesthetic. It has a cylindrical soda can design, and it's small enough to easily store in a bag. It only weighs 9 ounces, so it's exceptionally lightweight, portable, and I like that it comes with a super convenient removable strap, so I could carry it comfortably. The base of the speaker also comes with a rubber footing to prevent movement on flat surfaces, although it's still prone to vibrations at louder volumes. It also has small gaps in the plastic base to allow the sound to pass through, which works as a passive radiator to enhance the low-end response. I think the robust IP67 water and dust resistant build is a solid feature, and you can submerge it in up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, so it's perfect for outdoor use. It comes with a total of 5 buttons, and it has a rubberized finish along the side panel, along with the USB-C port for charging. You get a power button, a dedicated Bluetooth pairing button for easy connection, volume up and down adjustments, and a multi-purpose play-pause button that can be used to skip songs, navigate backwards, or answer or end incoming calls using the speakerphone feature. And I thought the microphone quality was okay, but my voice sounded weak and distorted at times. Overall, it's functional, and you can enable its function with a Bluetooth connection. It provides Bluetooth 4.0 compatibility, and I appreciated how easy it was to pair the speaker with my phone. Although the VUNEX Sound Arcwave offers an improved Bluetooth 5.0 connection at a very comparable price. The connection was generally solid and stable, and you get a range of 10 meters. I like that it supports the AAC codec, which is an outstanding addition for the price, and it offers you a reliable sound quality, along with the more common SBC codec. You also get the ability to easily pair 2 SRS XB13 speakers together to create a studio configuration, which dramatically improves the audio performance. The quick pairing feature with Android devices is also useful, and it provides fast and intuitive pairings for phones and tablets. However, it does lack a 3.5mm port. I think the battery life is solid enough, and it lasts for around 16 hours, which is more than the rival JBL Clip 4. Although this depends on your volume level and power consumption. It takes around 4 hours to complete a full charge, which is on the slower side. While it lacks some common quality of life features like a built-in power bank to charge your devices, you get a convenient indicator on your smartphone to alert you when the batteries are low. If you're enjoying this video and you've learned something about the Sony XB13, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check the links in the description. You get a single standard 1.5-inch full range driver, so it lacks the stereo separation and wider soundstage of dual driver setups. It comes with a frequency response range of 20Hz to 20 kHz, which delivers solid coverage and tonal spectrum. I thought the passive radiator performed admirably, and it added some noticeable richness to the driver's bass tones. The new diffusion processor delivers some good directivity, and it utilizes DSP technology to create a 360-degree radius of audio. I thought the audio performance was respectable, and it comes with a reasonably balanced and even sound profile with a slight focus on the mid-range response. So leads and vocals are clear, although the vocals do have a touch of sibilance. I found it had decent bass response with admirable accuracy, which should suit most music except for sub-bass heavy genres, along with a crisp and bright treble. While I thought the sound diffusion processor worked and it spread the sound out well, it doesn't have a lot of clarity, and some frequencies can sound a little flat, especially at a distance. I also noticed that the speaker lacks some volume, which is understandable given the pocket size. So is the Sony XB13 speaker worth it? Considering the price, it's a pretty solid product, but other options are worth investigating. The JBL Clip 4 is a comparably priced option that delivers a similar audio performance with a more portable pocket-sized clip design. The downside is the JBL Clip 4 has a shorter battery life and it lacks some volume. If you want something much louder at this price point but less portable, the VUNEX Sound Arcwave is marginally more expensive, but it provides an improved Bluetooth 5.0 connection, and its comparable battery life and impressive soundscape with multiple listening modes. Overall, I thought the Sony SRS XB13 is a solid budget-friendly offering that pumps out respectable audio quality that a lot of people would be into. But if you don't value its compact size as much, I think the VUNEX Sound Arcwave is a better choice for the price. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For updated pricing on all of the items mentioned, be sure to check out the description. And if you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.